Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important and responsible role in board exam, the role of Assistant Superintendent, which is also called as invigilator. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official document released by CBSE in Center Guideline for CS. So first point, they should reach their room and check all the arrangement on time. Then second, there should not be any mobile or communication device in room. Assistant superintendent, they are also not allowed to carry their mobile on duty. Third, take safe custody of question paper packet and other material. Fourth, assistant superintendent should receive the sealed packet of question paper from center superintendent. Now, let's see what they should do when they reach the room. First thing, no student in their room or hall is in possession of mobile phone or any other barred item. Second, no student is making any attempt to use any unfair mean by using any mode. Then they should keep a strict watch under student, those who are sitting and not writing answer for long period, or any student who is whispering. Then next, assistant superintendent should match the photograph on attendance sheet from the student present. Next, few important announcement they should do. First announcement, that student may check once again that they are sitting on the seat allotted for them. Second announcement, if any student is in possession of any barred item, the same may be handed over to assistant superintendent. Third, students are required to sign twice in attendance sheet, first while receiving the answer book and second while handing over the answer book to assistant superintendent. Next, they should promptly supply the supplementary answer book or water when asked for. Students are not required to write roll number on map and graph. They should know and they should inform this to student as well. On completion of exam each day, you are requested to take only the answer book from the student. Question paper student can carry with them. Then assistant superintendent shall ensure that every answer book has been signed by student. Next, 13 point, all exit of examination hall should be closed immediately before examination is due to get over. Means if exam is going to get over at 1:30, so they should close all the doors at 1:20 p.m. One assistant superintendent should always accompany a student wishing to make use of toilet while examination is going on and adhere to time schedule for each activity. The following instruction to distribute answer book and question paper and collect the answer book. The serialize the answer book and tally with answer sheet before handing it over to the CS. Successful conduct of examination will depend on activeness and alertness of assistant superintendent. Hence, be ready and perform your best. Now, let us see the schedule of all the activity in examination room to be supervised by assistant superintendent. First thing, from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. entry of student is allowed inside the examination center. 9:45 to 10 student will start entering their room. From 10 a.m. is the last entry in the examination center. After 10 a.m. no student is allowed. 10 to 10:15 assistant superintendent will check admit card as well as school ID card of all the students present in their room. Then they should make some announcement between 10 to 10:15. Also, they will be distributing answer sheet also at 10 a.m. only, so that a student can fill their OMR sheet between the same time 10 to 10:15. Like announcement, student are not having mobile phone, student have occupied the correct seat, they have written roll number as per instruction, they have written correct question paper set number, they are not in possession of any bar item. Then assistant superintendent should open the packet of question paper at 10:10 a.m. in presence of two students. After that 10:15 they will start distribution of question paper to student. 10:30 they are going to collect question paper of absentees student. At 10:30 exam will At 10:30 am, Assistant Superintendent will return all the unused question paper along with envelope to Center Superintendent. 10:45 sealing of unused question paper packet received from examination room by CS, and 10 minutes before the examination they are going to close the room door and examination will conclude as per the timing. If you are appointed as an Assistant Superintendent for Board Exam 2026, take your responsibility seriously. Preparation, alertness and discipline are the key to smooth examination conduct. If you found this video helpful, share it with fellow teachers and examination staff. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.